I'm your host, Rich Noonan. We come to you today from one of the most state-of-the-art dental practices in the nation, a place where even the most fearful among us, including me, can find relaxation in the dental chair.
I got great teeth.
Gay Hoyle does have great teeth, and she came a long way to get them. You see, she lives in Studham, England, just outside London, but has friends who go to Dr. Stan Heliniak in Lansdale, Pennsylvania. They told Gay that Dr. Heliniak is the best, and she flew across the ocean to find out. She's glad she did.
It is amazing. Everybody is so friendly and they try to make you feel really comfortable. I was given all sorts of warnings about what the treatment involved because there were going to be serious ramifications for a few days because, you know, I had all my top teeth removed. And I've had implants put in, and this is a complete replacement top set. Obviously that was pretty traumatic, and I did have one or two problems while I was recovering from that, and Dr. Heliniak was called out on a couple of occasions to help me through it, and he was absolutely marvellous, even on a Sunday when I was feeling really, really down. He was absolutely amazing, as was his wife, of course, who came to help too. Yeah, it was a great experience, and I think I've got terrific teeth as a result of it.
Beautiful downtown.
James Rudloff of East Greenville didn't come as far as Gay did, but he's just as happy with the results. He came to Dr. Heliniak after getting some bad news from his own dentist.
Approaching my family dentist, he can schedule, at a most, he can do about 2 hours a visit in your mouth. And he was of the opinion that I would lose teeth before he could get to repair them all.
Dr. Heliniak did the job in one painless day.
He did it in an 8-hour period, and it's done. And you are asleep, you feel no pain, and everything couldn't have been better. Because I woke up and I had a new upper set of teeth. So just like that.
The story is the same, one thrilled patient after another. They feel lucky to have found North Penn Dental Arts for a couple of reasons, the people and the place. Dr. Stan Heliniak is on the cutting edge of the fast-changing technology in the practice of restoring beautiful smiles, saving and repairing teeth that would have been lost. He is one of America's leaders in sedation dentistry. Many of his patients take a comfortable nap and wake up with years of dental treatment done in just one visit. The outstanding care and the most incredible facility you will ever see. Just take a look at this place. From the warm waiting area to surgical suites that rival the finest hospitals. If it's new, and more importantly, if a computer or machine can help this doctor do his job, he has it. Dr. Heliniak is one of the most well-trained dentists in the nation. He is both an expert dentist and an anesthesiologist.
My background is that I'm a dentist anesthesiologist. I did a residency training in anesthesiology in a hospital in Chicago, and it enables me to be able to treat people who have a lot of different fears and anxieties.
Dr. Heliniak's practice is very well respected in the dental community. In fact, many dentists refer patients to him because they know he is one of the few in America who has the training and facility to handle the most difficult dental problems.
Things that involve computerized treatments and patient education, modalities. It's really very different than what you would think of or probably expect to see in a dental office environment.
That's for sure. From dental x-rays without film that can be developed in seconds to the most advanced computerized systems that make perfectly sized crowns and fillings, North Penn Dental Arts is as well equipped as you can get in dentistry. This dentist can still use a little mirror to see what's going on with that mischievous molar, but he's more likely to use a state-of-the-art intraoral camera. While you lay comfortably, you can see what's going on inside your mouth on the monitor above. You can watch videos explaining the procedure, or you can simply watch TV and relax.
We can show you digital images of your mouth and your problems that you may have, and educate you as to what these conditions are and how we might be able to take care of them for you.
All of this technology saves you money, time, and most importantly to me, pain. The more exact the diagnosis, the more exact the treatment. And speaking of pain, Dr. Heliniak is well known for doing painless, safe procedures. Because he's also an anesthesiologist, he gives his patients the safe and correct levels of anesthesia. He went the extra mile, actually many miles, to become one of the few dentists who is also an anesthesiologist.
We spend 2 years of additional training after dental school, learning nothing but anesthesia, providing anesthesia, and then we're able to bring that to our patients in the office. And in my case, I work along with a nurse anesthetist, a certified registered nurse anesthetist, to provide the anesthesia care.
The doctor pays for the well-trained nursing staff and holds multiple certifications himself because safety is his #1 concern when anesthetizing someone. He worries about other dentists who don't take the same care, calling their practices sleep dentistry when they have no formal training in anesthesia. The doctor says people should be very careful being put under any kind of sedation or anesthesia because many dentists simply are not qualified to do it safely. There are some common and very dangerous problems that can occur.
Not properly dosing, not properly monitoring, and certainly not trained to provide any type of emergency care that could potentially arise as a result of the medications that are being given or side effects of those medications that a person may have.
With Dr. Heliniak's training and the training of his staff, the team can focus on solutions, not problems. Aside from restoring badly damaged teeth from young children on up to seniors, North Penn Dental Arts is a well-respected leader in cosmetic dentistry. Want your teeth whitened while you wait or need new porcelain veneers? Dr. Heliniak is the best. Look at this computer system the doctor uses to make porcelain crowns, porcelain onlays, and all sorts of restorations.
We design some things here, make some drawings on here. And the computer from the image knows where the tooth is and knows where to put the crown. And it actually shows us what the crown's going to look like after it's done, and we can turn it and we can look at it in all directions if we want. We can look at it from the inside and see what it's going to look like after it's done. And then all we do is place a little square block of porcelain in another machine that's in our laboratory and hit the button, and within 10 to 20 minutes it mills this crown that you see here. Then we can take that crown and just cement it onto the person's tooth, and it's a permanent porcelain crown, and it's a better fit and it's better porcelain than you could have any laboratory do.
Sedation, cosmetics, treatment of periodontal disease, implants, whatever type of dental care the family needs, from the children to the great-grandparents, people with special needs, and the most serious dental phobics, they can all find it at North Penn Dental Arts. Still not sure? Do what we did. Talk to the patients.
The team was amazing, absolutely amazing. Really, really good.
I would do it over again in a heartbeat.
Yes.
The doctor knows he's got something special here, and he knows he changes smiles and lives every single day. That's what he loves most about this job.
It's, you know, the faces of the people after we take care of them, or the parents of the children that have been traumatized and then come to see us, and how happy the parents are because, you know, their son or daughter's smile has been finally fixed, and it was done in a very comfortable fashion, and that really keeps us going, you know, it really does.